Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove seats from a Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off for safety. You will need a few basic tools, such as a trim stick and a 15mm socket wrench for certain bolts. Remember, these seats can be quite heavy, so having a second person to help is highly recommended. It is important to note that the second-row seats in the hybrid model are designed to be removed, not stowed into the floor like in the gas version. To remove a second-row quad seat, first, slide the front seat all the way forward to give yourself plenty of room. Next, move the quad seat itself fully to the rear. Then, fold the seat back down until it rests flat against the cushion and locks into place. Now, locate the release strap on the front of the seat near the floor and pull it firmly. This action will disengage the rear latches, allowing the seat to be tilted forward and lifted out of the vehicle. Removing the third-row seats involves a few more steps. Begin by folding the stow and go seat entirely into its floor well. Next, use a trim stick to gently pry off the hinge covers. You will then find 2 bolts on the top side of the hinges that need to be removed. After these are out, raise the seat to its upright position, being careful not to latch the front leg. Now, remove the final 2 bolts securing the hinges to the floor, and the seat can be carefully lifted out. When reinstalling any seat, align its front attachments with the detent positions on the floor. Then, tilt the seat backward until it securely locks into its original position. If your seats have electrical connectors, remember to reattach them, taking care not to pinch any wires. Always perform a quick check by pushing and pulling on the seat to ensure it is firmly latched and secure before you begin driving. This ensures both safety and proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.